naye tagasayininga
It's Janet, big sister for you, here at the World Coffee. Yes, with a team of baristas that came to represent our school. I want to appreciate them all, the ones that are here. Thank you so much. So we've been on that group, family barista group, and we saw an issue. Arthur, thank you so much for bringing it up, because I want to believe several of you are facing this situation in your workplaces, whereby somebody becomes a problem to you. Yeah, they are playing cards. They're actually wanting to make sure you lose your job. If I'm to be clear, I'm here to encourage you not to allow them. Don't allow anybody play in your position. Remember, you didn't get that job because your mother felt like they should give you the job. No, you got it because you worked hard. You got it as a professional. So maintain your job. Be smart when you're playing your cards. So many people play cards in such a way. Your supervisor will assign you a duty in a given day, and somebody else, as they see you start to do things, they would want to push you away. They will suggest you go and do something else. So then that means for you, everyone, an assignment is given. You do things haphazardly. You never complete duties, assignments. So at the end of 2-3 months, the report given for you or about you is you never complete duties, you're always slow, there's always somebody helping you. Because these guys, when they are coming to you to suggest that they are helping, they always do it either when there's a camera watching, or when there's a supervisor in the vicinity, or when some report was given about you. So they want to confirm to somebody that indeed what they reported is what is true. So please be very careful. Don't lose your jobs. So what am I saying? Don't fight anyone. But when they come to you to tell you, no, it's okay, don't do it. Let me help you. You know, for me I can do it quick. Tell them that, lovely, I also came to work, okay? I'm okay finishing it up. Okay, you want me to help? Let me finish this. I'll come and help. Always play back. Be wise. These jobs, we gain them by working hard. We maintain them by working hard. Performing your job. Don't allow people to present as though they're the ones doing all things, and for you're always there to follow them. You're always a backdoor individual. You're always the one they're helping. You're always the one that is slow. Don't allow this report being given about you at the end of the 3 months or so. It's Jex Institute for you. Hope a message is reached home. If there's anybody facing this situation, please, I encourage you to be wise. That individual, watch them with 2, if not 4 eyes. They'll make you lose your job. They'll not show they're fighting you, but indeed, I'm telling you they are. It's Jex Institute. I wish you the best.